Okay, welcome to Domain 6.4 Encryption Use Cases. Encryption is about protecting data whether it's sitting still or moving through the world, so only the right people can read it. Think of it like this: plain text versus cipher text, shouting loudly on the bus versus whispering in code with your best friend. Data at rest equals locking valuables in a safe at home. Data in transit equals putting documents in a sealed envelope before mailing them. Email encryption is like sending a letter inside a locked briefcase. HTTPS equals driving on a toll road with entry and exit tightly controlled. And VPN, a private tunnel on the highway that no one else can see into. Okay, in training day, plain text equals Alonzo lying in plain sight. Ciphertext equals coded gang messages. Data at rest equals cache stashed at Alonzo's house, unprotected files. Data in transit equals dirty money being moved through gangs, vulnerable transmissions. VPN and HTTPS equals protected channels, like trusted cops moving information versus open streets where anyone can intercept.